Are you ready? I'm going to read it, and only when I say go, go. Women should stay home and raise the children. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, all right, so you're neutral. You're slightly agree. You disagree. You also disagree. And you slightly disagree. Okay, this is good. Tell us why you slightly agree.
The only reason why I chose slightly agree is not because women can't
Tell
get their
them
jobs.
so they can hear.
Women can't get jobs. It's just for the fact that women produce the breast milk. Why are you like letting? It's okay for the women to go and have jobs and etc. But I believe that women are much more better in taking care of kids. First, the maternal instinct, and most babies still drink from breast milk from their mom. Imagine if they're hungry, they have to call their mom or use artificial products for it instead of natural.
Okay. Tell us why you disagree.
Well, it depends about family. Like we are living in like future, so you can see like men can like raise the children alone, like with a woman, and it would be even better. Like so, it depends for me.
So if it depends, how come you're on the disagree and not the neutral line?
Well, I don't know. Like I'm thinking about like if someone women like really doesn't like and someone like asking her like to raise the children, so it's really bad. So I would say disagree than slightly disagree.
Okay, how come you're on the disagree line?
Because I think we need more manpower in the factories or other places, other jobs. In Europe and in America, we have also a shortage of working force. And if the women's go to teach their kids, we just out of stocks from men or women, or, working force.
So yours is an economic reason.
Yeah, it's capitalism.
And yours is a reason, would it be fair to say dealing with freedom?
Yeah.
Okay. And so you have not moved. Tell us why you have not moved.
Well, because in one of our classes last semester, we took something that's similar to what he said, that females are more prominent and can be able to take care of children better. But at the same time, I think that a child should have both the mother and the father's side of caring in order to get a healthy relationship. So I'm not disagreeing that a mom should help or like a woman should stay at home and raise the children, but a male should also be involved. So it's like a equal job.
Okay. So I didn't come to you yet. Tell us why you slightly disagree.
Well, I would say that it goes, both of the parents have responsibilities towards the children, and they should do that thing together to raise the children and to leave place for each other to do what they want in their free time.
So doesn't that mean you should be on the neutral line?
No, I wouldn't think so.
How come?
Because it says that women should stay home.
Oh.
But I don't think that they should stay just home with the children. Sometimes the father could do that too if the mother would like to do something else.
Okay, and so tell us why you're on the neutral line.
Because I am confident that it comes down to the individuals and the couples, the parents, what they decide or which direction they decide to go with. Because nowadays it doesn't matter, doesn't really matter that much who stays home with the children. Because a woman can earn more than a man can earn more than a woman, and then it just comes down to agreement between the two parties.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. What would it take you to move to the strongly disagree line? What would you have to hear?
Actually, I really don't like this sentence. Like, how does it look? And I could, but my personal opinion and personal experience. So I would say disagree.
But what if someone were standing here? What would they have to say to you?
Women should stay. If it women like has to or must. So I would say like strongly disagree.
Okay.
Only because of the sentence. Like
Okay. What should the sentence say?
women can stay, but not should. Like,
But it is should.
but still, like can is better for me.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so what would it take for you to move to the strongly agree or to the agree?
Honestly, I think it's based on the opportunities around the family. For an example, during the 1940s, 1930s, where women didn't really have opportunity to get jobs, my opinion would be they should stay at home more, mainly because if they weren't, they're not going to be generating enough income to support the family either way. So the strengths that they have, they're not even using it. This is not in the terms that they shouldn't. It's more about if there's no other opportunities that are better, why would you just let the kid be alone? It's not, this question didn't say that the dad is not there or that dad shouldn't be staying at home. It's just that if both parents are having a job, and if the job are not, if the woman's job is not enough to actually give a beneficial, what do you call that? What's a certain word? Like that generates certain amount of impact as well. Instead of just being a negative, they can just stay at home, and it's much more better.
Okay. What would it take you to move one line either way? What is there anything she said that convinced you, or is there anything he said that convinced you to move?
No, but I would move to this side if it stated that only women should do that job. Like, I think it does say it here, but I understood it as a way that women can. But if it, but if it was an equal job, I would be on the strongly agree.
So the reason that says should, so can means ability. Like a woman can stay at home, but the question is very specific. Should they? Is it in? Oh, so you?
It's a should.
It's a should. It's not a can. Oh, so okay. So why did you move when the word changed?
Because you're forcing me to do something.
I am.
Yeah, so I don't want to because it's an equal job. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So how come you're not on the strongly disagree?
Because it's lacking what the man is doing, so I don't want to be judging what he's doing. Yeah.
And are you still comfortable there?
Yeah.
Are you comfortable where you are?
Yes, of course.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, pretty much.
Are you comfortable?
Absolutely.
Okay. So what would it take for you to move to neutral?
Wait, can I see?
Women should stay at home and raise the children.
I think
Should stay at home.
I know. Honestly, depending on the culture as well and where they're from, there are some.
Say Hungary.
On Hungary, I guess if, for example, the work hours are not enough, that would affect the child at most. If both parents are not going to be staying at home to take care of their children, only reason why I would go to neutral if it's more beneficial that they can still have time with their kids.
Okay. All right. Is everybody happy with the line they're on? Okay, good. Thank you. That's the first game. Thank you.